Ecclesiastes chapter 3, 1-11.
To everything there is a season, a time for every purpose under heaven.
A time to be born and a time to die.
A time to plant and a time to pluck what is planted.
A time to kill and a time to heal.
A time to break down and a time to build up.
A time to weep and a time to laugh.
A time to mourn and a time to dance.
A time to cast away stones and a time to gather stones.
A time to embrace and a time to refrain from embracing.
A time to gain and a time to lose.
A time to keep and a time to throw away.
A time to tear and a time to soothe.
A time to keep silence and a time to speak.
A time to love and a time to hate.
A time of war and a time of peace.
What profit has the worker from that in which he labors? I have seen the God-given task with which the sons of men are to be occupied.
He has made everything beautiful in its time.
Also, He has put eternity in their hearts.
Except that no one can find out what God does from beginning